Hello, this is my 2020 Honda Super Cub. It's a really fine machine. The only thing I've added to it is a kickstand, the baggage rack on the back, and extended the mirrors, and a oil change plug with a magnet on it. It's a really great machine, and I really like it. These are the adventures of an old man and his Super Cub. Okay, looks like we're recording. Get a little footage of going around the lake. Third gear. Don't have to go very far. Fourth gear. And close to our little lake. Not a very big deal. Kind of pretty. Not all you can say about it. No traffic around the lake. People just come out and do what I do. Drive by. Pretty girl. Well, that was a short little run around half the lake, and I've got about 1,700 miles on this Super Cub in the last year, and watch a lot of bloggers, did a lot of motorcycles, one of my favorite. Her two wheels is good. Itchy Boots is wonderful, and I actually met some of these people at the Texas Speedway. There's a doodle on a motorcycle. And so I'm going to try to make a little content of my own just for fun. These are the adventures of me and my cub. See you next time.